Welcome this video how to build a dap, a complete full step-by-step gas build your awning dap is one of the most statement woodwork project you can undertake. Not only do its add value and beauty to your home, but it's also create a perfect outdoor space for relaxed entertainment and family gathering. Whether you are seasoning build or a filtering, this gas will walk through that full process and construction a build proper depth for state. Table contracting plants or decoration gathering material tool processing the size layout and front build the frame install dashboard add district and state family touch and main entrance plan and design easy successful project being with a soft plan finish. Consider the purpose of your tab. Well, it's be free, long, or host tab, or all of about your tab size and layout should reference how use the space, the design, complement, location, sun, experience, promax, and do privacy and view size. How many people well its use it is due to long style much the depth is your home aesthetic build code axing choose locate zoom law and build code you mean need Apromax. Use free online depth design tool or sub your layout organizing people by such to make view state and purple well going. Gathering material and tool. Construction material jump and conference depth connect join hub depth post around depth state and element tool C and modern post hobby design and layout level top means cute line and state while main interest soft growing prompting and side make the layout use better board and still line to define edge screen print or make the location for print test or print layout the front end depth need and state going long lasting front end this most construction type is correct front end install font use a Post hold edge due after lost 13-inch depth or below of first line conduction fit hold and conduction and side post architect while site install post 1 of construction 4 by 4 or 6 by 6 post use post brick or level theme prototype use a location level or depth level to side post on or even before moving on build the frame the frame is the key of your depth type build with processing should be built or frame install the locate board attach its security to your home with locate first is construction wall depth add running that outer line or fragment of your depth use join hen audit theme on the board install base those side on post and supported this join double check level and security check with a level and security depth is processing install depth board this is warm your depth start to take shade and shave round depth installing type start at the house and work outer way layout a 1 by foot king benefit board or during and explode height use height faster for a clean look or construction side look to build during staging join for a more natural look clean overhand at the end for a clean edge depth can be wood or construction compost choose more but lasting and requesting low main entrance add rim and statement if your depth is more than 13-inch of the grounding more code requested and gam installing rain